folks, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a Facebook Messenger chat in your website. So why to add a Facebook Messenger? Yes, of course, many people are adding some different icons like WhatsApp and emails, and also now I'm going to show you how to add a Facebook Messenger so that people can directly chat from their messenger. Now let us see how we can add it. So in order to add a messenger box, first of all, you should have a Facebook account. And the two, in that Facebook account, you should have a Facebook page. Make sure that you have a Facebook business page in your account. Then only we can add a messenger. Then only we can use some messaging options. Okay, now let us see. If I click this drop down, I can see the pages. So your pages, it will show me. So as of now, I have a two pages. Let me just select any one of this page. Okay, I have selected this page now. Right. This is a page. So how I can have a messaging chat? So go to settings now. Right. So and here you can find few options like general, under general, like page visibility, visitors, post. So these are the few general options. You can just find it out, and here you can see a messaging option. Just choose that. So general setting, use the return keys to send messages. If you want to send messages by just entering it, you can just click it on, you can just choose it on, or else you can just off it, or else next starting a messenger conversation. So when you have a friend, so automatically this message will be going to them. So it is like a kind of greeting. So okay, so this is how the format will be. Thanks for getting in touch with us on messenger. Please send us any questions you may have. This is the by default messaging greeting you have. So if you want to change, you can just change it like this here. Okay, so here full name of a receipt. So here automatically the full name is going to take. Okay, and the name is fine. Thanks for. So if you want to edit, simply you can edit it here. So as of now I'm not trying to edit it, so it is fine for me. Just save it. Okay, so now here you can see add messenger to your website. Okay, so here I need to add a messenger to my website. Let's get started now. Add messenger so to your website. So here select the language now. So default language. So greeting, hi, how can we help you? So if you want, you can just change it here. Hello, welcome. Hi, welcome. How may I help you? So just save it. This is how the preview it is going to show you. Then next, custom colors. So you can just simply select the colors also, like yellow, red, blue, green. So this is fine now. Then simply next. So here add a website domain name. So here now here you want to enter the domain name, the website address for which you want to add this messenger chat. So now let me just use this URL. So enter it, save it. Okay, successfully saved. So here choose an option for installing the code. So here it have a two options like I'll install the code myself, email instructions to your developer. So you can choose any one of these method. If you choose the first month, so you can directly get into the website and you can manually paste it in your website. Or else if you think that you are not aware of some coding section, you can simply email some instructions to your web developer so that he will be taking care of everything. So now no need of emailing anything. So I'll just install the code myself. So copy the code, okay, and get back to your website dashboard. Okay. So now in order to install, you can directly get into the theme editor or else theme editor and you can put it in the body section. So here see, it is asking you to insert it directly after the opening body tag on each page where you want the plugin to appear. So here it is asking you to paste the code in every of the page where you want to show up the messenger chat, and it has to go into the body tag. Okay, so now, so just install a plugin called HFCM. Okay, so if you just use this plugin, so you can just install the tag wherever you want, on which page exactly you want. Now let us see how we can do it. Right, get into the dashboard. So here, this is the plugin. So I have already installed this plugin. Just choose this plugin HFCM, and here, so as of now no snippets, just add a new snippet now. And snippet name, so what is the snippet name? So you can just use it like Facebook chat. Right, site display means, so where you want exactly show this messenger chat. So site wide means overall the website. Specific post, so if you want to show up only in the specific post, you can choose this. Specific pages, categories, post types, you can choose where exactly you want. So as of now I want to show in every page of my website. So if you want, you can simply exclude a few pages. So if you just put a cursor, it will show you what all the pages you have in your website, and if you want any, you can just exclude it. So you can just exclude the posts as well where exactly you don't want to show. And location, so where it has to location, header section or footer. So footer section, device display, so where exactly you want to show, on all devices or only on desktop or mobile devices. So I want to show in all devices. Status active, so now you have already copied, right? Just paste it here and then save it. So now I have successfully installed the tag. So let's get back to our messenger. Now just finish it. Saving changes. Thanks for setting up the customer chat plugin. Done. So now I am done with the messenger chat in my website. Now let us check whether it is present or not. Let me get into the website. Okay, so now can you see here the messenger chat? It have come here. So hi, welcome, how may I help you? So if in your, so you're going to chat, you can directly chat with your messenger. Right. So this is how successfully I have installed this messenger, and it will help you a lot to have a more leads and to have a more conversations with your right audience. Right. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.